Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: 5 easy digest protein sources. Whether you're an avid fitness enthusiast or just looking to maintain a balanced diet, protein is a key player. Today's video, we're diving deep into 5 protein-packed sources that are not only easy to digest but also delicious. So, let's get started. Source 1. Our first protein source is one you probably have in your kitchen right now: eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein. What makes them easy to digest is their bioavailability, meaning your body can absorb and utilize the protein efficiently. Plus, they're versatile. You can enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or in an omelet for a quick and satisfying protein fix. Source 2. Now, let's talk about another fantastic option: lean poultry, such as chicken or turkey. These meats are not only rich in protein but also low in fat, making them a great choice for those looking to build lean muscle. Opt for grilled or baked preparations to keep things light on the digestive system. Source 3. Moving on to our third source: legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are not only wallet-friendly but also excellent sources of plant-based protein. They come with the added benefit of fiber, aiding digestion. Incorporating legumes into your meals, whether in salads or soups, is a tasty and digestible way to up your protein intake. Source 4. Now, let's talk about dairy, specifically Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not only rich in protein but also contains probiotics that are beneficial for gut health. Opt for the plain, unsweetened variety to keep the sugar content in check. You can enjoy it on its own or use it as a base for smoothies, adding fruits for an extra nutritional boost. Source 5. Last but certainly not least, we have fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon. Salmon is not only a fantastic source of protein but also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Grilling or baking your salmon is not just a delicious way to prepare it but also maintains the nutritional integrity of the fish. Before we wrap up, let's discuss some general tips for incorporating these easy-to-digest protein sources into your diet seamlessly. Diversify your sources. Mix and match these protein sources to ensure you're getting a variety of nutrients. Portion control. While protein is crucial, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet. Be mindful of portion sizes. Hydration. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Water aids in digestion and overall well-being. Listen to your body. Everyone's body is different. Pay attention to how your body reacts to different protein sources and adjust accordingly. And there you have it, folks: 5 easy digest protein sources that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, a balanced diet is key to a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now that you've got the lowdown on these fantastic protein sources, it's time to take action. But before you go, here's a little secret. Did you know that subscribing to our channel not only keeps you in the loop for more informative videos but also makes you part of an incredible community dedicated to health and wellness? Hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. And here's the deal breaker. If you found this video as exciting as cracking open a morning omelet, or as satisfying as a perfectly grilled piece of salmon, then show us some love. Smash that like button. It's the high five of the YouTube world. By subscribing, you're not just a viewer, you're a valued member of our community. So, join us on this journey towards a healthier, happier you. Click that subscribe button, hit the like, and let's make this community stronger than your post-workout protein shake. Until next time, keep nourishing your body and feeding your mind. See you in the next video.